Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam app review. Guys, we are on Fish for Money. Now, this app promises real life rewards, PayPal money, all types of riches, and, I guess real life prizes, bro. All we need to do is fish. It's surely not going to be that simple. I do hope that you all do enjoy. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, by the way. Get ready. I thoroughly believe this app is going to be the biggest scam ever. I mean, guys, it's literally using copyrighted music in the background. I'm going to play it on the channel because I don't know if it's going to be flagged or not. If you guys can hear music that's not the SpongeBob SquarePants one, okay? That means that it was copyrighted by YouTube, so I had to change it. Now, apparently, we have, what is this? Congratulations, upgrade. I need to watch an ad to upgrade my fisherman. No, thank you. I couldn't care less. I just won $22 for upgrading the fisherman. This is how this app's a scam, by the way. This is it. It promises real-life PayPal money, guys. I would love to know where this app is made. I would love to know it. These apps are such jokes, everyone. It breaks my heart. Like, it makes me so angry that these apps are allowed to survive on the Play Store. But you got to think about this, everyone. The developers have literally made an app where you apparently fish for PayPal money, right? You never get it, dude. These apps are the biggest jokes ever. The closer you... Like, legit, this is how it's a scam. People ask me sometimes, how is it a scam? Well, it's a scam because you got to think about this, okay? The closer you get to that $100 or $200 PayPal reward, cash out, requirement, the less it will actually reward you as time goes on. So right now, I think, oh yeah, we're winning $10, $20 per catch. But in reality, the app is just trying its hardest to get us to watch video ads, okay? If you take account of how many times this app tries to get me to watch a video ad, you will be shocked. This is how these apps scan the average app user, okay? Guys, please be careful when playing these apps. Do not waste your precious time, my friends. Look at this, another generic. You need $200 PayPal money. I hate it. I'm so damn angry, dude. I don't know why these apps are allowed to be on the Play Store. Look, $14, watch another ad. It's a complete scam, bro. I'm so over it. Guys, leave me a comment right now. Do you think this is a scam or not? Come on. Seriously, dude. Do you really think you're going to win $200 from playing a fishing app for 5 minutes? Like, dude. It makes me so angry. Really, it does. What's this? What's this do? There's a map. Oh my god, it's actually different maps. Apparently you can go to different areas with more coins. So I'm only on, let's see here, I'm only on 337 coins right now. And I need to get to 160 million coins to get to the next area. Okay. I guess I have to keep increasing my earnings, perhaps? Dude, what is this? What is this? I'm pulling up a mermaid. What the? $13. I'm not watching an ad, bro. I don't care. I'm not watching ads. I refuse to watch ads just because the app's forcing me to. Like, look at this. It keeps on prompting me to watch advertisements, bro. It's ridiculous. Come on, man. Google needs to do something about this. I feel like every episode I'm just nagging Google to get off their behinds and take this junk off their Play Store. And I've even heard that it's even on the Apple Store as well, guys. Like the iTunes or whatever it's called. I don't know what the Apple Store is called, dude. But apparently it's on the Apple users as well. They have these scam apps, dude. I feel so bad for you all, man. Like, guys, there's people that constantly ask me every single day here on YouTube, hey, do you reckon that this is legit or not, everyone? Is this app legit? Is this app legit? Guys, hardly any app that promises real-life money is legit. Look at this app now. It's some sort of Diamond Candy Crush looking one. I just don't... Lucky Diamond it's called. Okay, yeah, Lucky Diamond. I'm sure, dude. I'm sure. Either way, I don't know what to do. Like, there's just so many scam apps. It's so hard for me to cover them all. I've covered over 100 apps in one single month, nearly, guys. Do you know how insane that is? I'm up to 87 apps I've covered on my channel in 1 month. It just never ends. Like, legitimately, the ads, the apps never end. And so many of them will force you to watch advertisements to get any sort of real-life PayPal money, apparently. It is freaking insane. Look at this, another level up on my fisherman. What does that even do? What does it even do, dude, when I upgrade the fisherman? No one knows. No one knows, bro. It's just a joke. Absolute joke. I got a PayPal card. How much is that going to be? $5 again. Nah. It's an absolute scam. Guys, you want to know how it's a scam? Do me a favor. Do me a favor, alright? Finish this app. Get to the $200 cash out and give me a message back, bro. You're going to be very disappointed. And I'll be laughing the whole time for the people that don't believe me. I'm that certain this app is a scam. I'll bet $1,000, guys, legitimately, that the app developer will not pay out every single person that tries to cash out. I'm not joking. Seriously, everyone. I'm that confident. It's a scam, bro. Absolute joke. I'm just going to keep on upgrading here. Look, I keep getting $10 rewards over and over again because the app knows I'm not going to click on any of them, dude. I refuse to. Look, I have to watch ads to capture more fish, apparently. So pretty much, I just have to keep spamming ads. That's it. That's all this app is. You spam ads to 3 times your coins. You spam ads to collect the PayPal rewards. You spam ads to upgrade the Fisherman. Do you know what I mean? What is this now? What is this app? Idle Delivery 3D. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, bro. An idle money-making game. You're joking me. I really, really hope not. I really hope not. I'll be very, very angry. I swear, I'll be very mad, dude. If there's an idle money-making game, I'm going to smash everything in my room, bro. I swear. No. Oh, it makes me sick. God, it makes me sick. I really hope that's not a scam. I really hope. I'll be trying that in the channel, guys. Stay tuned. If you're new here, all I do is cover scam apps. Subscribe. You'll be notified every day I post new videos. We're going to war, dude, against these scammers. 100%. 100%. By the way, that bar I don't think does too much. Just an FYI. In reality, it doesn't really do that much at all. So yeah, this is the app. Fish for money, guys. It's such a joke. I seriously wonder how many times I've been prompted. How many times I've been prompted to watch ads, dude. I would love to know. I reckon easily 10. Can someone please rewind this video to the start, watch it again, and tell me how many times I have been prompted for ads? I can almost guarantee it's been easily over 10 times. 100%. 100%. And it's funny because there's an actual energy bar. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, there's an energy bar in this app, right? But it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter at all. For real. Collect. Oh, just press collect. Instantly got the ad. Oh, man. Look at these guys. Look at this. Look at these people, dude. What is this app now? Idle panning. Oh, my. Dude, how many idle apps are there? Oh, yeah. All this cash is from idle panning. Oh, my God. No. God, no. Oh, I'm speechless. I can't wait. This is going to be the best year, dude, to come down on these scam apps. I can't wait, everyone. Seriously. You got no idea, bro. $2,800. Yeah. From playing an idle game. Yeah, I'm sure. Get off. Do you know what? I'm done. I'm done with this. Fish for money. Get off my screen. You're pathetic. You're not worth more than 8 minutes of my time. Guys, I hope Google destroys this. I mean, if there's an app that's actually worth it, I'll play more than 8 minutes. I'm yet to find one, okay? Stay safe out there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all soon, okay? See you around, guys.